Welcome to today's session. Today we will discuss about artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? So simply we can say artificial intelligence is making of computers that think, and the automation of activities we associate with human thinking like decision making, learning, and the art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by people, the study of mental faculties through the use of computational models and systems that act like humans. These cognitive tasks include natural language processing, knowledge representation, automated reasoning, machine learning. Artificial means produced by human art or effort rather than originating naturally. Intelligence is the ability to acquire knowledge and use it. Finally, AI was defined as it is the study of ideas that enable computers to be intelligent, and it is the part of computer science concerned with the design of computer science that exhibit human intelligence. Main goals of artificial intelligences are to make computers more useful by letting them take over dangerous or tedious tasks from humans, understand principles of human intelligence. The foundation of AI is computation leads to analysis of the problems that can be computed, which is nothing but complexity theory. Probability contributes the degree of belief to handle uncertainty in AI. And also decision theory combines probability theory and utility theory. The main topics in AI are searching, representing knowledge and reasoning, planning, learning, natural language processing, expert systems, and also interacting with the environment, example, vision, speech recognition, robotics. Some advantages of artificial intelligence. AI is more powerful and more useful computers. It is new and improved interfaces, solving new problems. It is better handling of information. It relieves information overhead, conversion of information into knowledge. The disadvantages of AI are it increases the cost, difficult with software development because slow and expensive, few experienced programmers, and we have few practical products have reached the market as yet. Knowledge representation and reasoning. The second most important concept is knowledge representation and reasoning. If we are going to act rationally in our environment, we must have some way of describing the environment and drawing inferences from that representation. How do we describe what we know about the world? How do we describe it concisely? How do we describe it so that we can get hold of the right piece of knowledge when we need it? How do we generate new pieces of knowledge? How do we deal with uncertain knowledge? So the knowledge is divided into declarative and procedural. Declarative knowledge deals with factoid questions. Procedural knowledge deals with how. Procedural knowledge can be embedded in declarative knowledge. Planning. Given a set of goals, construct a sequence of actions. Very large search space. Most parts of the world are independent. Start with goals and connect them to actions. Not necessary connection between order of planning and order of execution. What happens if the world changes as we execute the plan and our actions don't produce the expected results? Here are some of the AI applications: image guided surgery, image analysis and enhancement, automation, game theory, bioinformatics, test classification, image classification, video classification, music composition, picture drawing, natural language processing, perception. Thank you.